Today on World Famous Foods, check this out. Roasted eggplant. Let's do this. Don't need this part. Just slice these all the way up. Okay, so we have a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. We're gonna just place our eggplants in here. We got some avocado oil. You just brush this on here. Nice and easy. This recipe is so simple. Coming from World Famous Foods, of course. Okay. Now we're gonna put some salt. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Now we're going to turn these over and do the other side. Okay, right, so we're going to put these in the oven. Oven is set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook these for a maximum of about 45 minutes. See you in 45 minutes. So now we're going to make the sauce that we're going to eat our roasted eggplants with. We're going to use a Chimichurri Sauce. So it's made of fresh parsley. We got it all chopped right there. Some chopped garlic, some oregano, got some crushed red pepper, give it a little heat. Yeah. Got some red wine vinegar, just a little bit there. Okay. And we got some extra virgin olive oil. Just mix this up together. And once our eggplant is finished, we're going to put this over the eggplant and enjoy it. Alright folks, our eggplants are finished. Now we're going to put our chimichurri sauce on here. Look at that, look at that. The smell, you guys wouldn't believe it. It's wonderful. Okay folks, there you have it. Roasted eggplants with chimichurri sauce. Look at that. World Famous Foods, another easy recipe.